understanding and setting the exposure triangle. Let's set our camera to manual mode. The exposure triangle is composed of these three elements: shutter speed, aperture, and ISO setting. Let's begin by setting the ISO at 100. The aperture at f3.2 and the shutter speed at 1/500 of a second. Be careful to always check the exposure meter reading that it is at 0 as you adjust the settings of ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Having the exposure meter reading at 0 means that the camera's metering system believes that the exposure is correct. Let's take that first shot. We can see that at this setting, we were able to achieve the normal exposure, a term in photography that the shot is not bright or dark. Let's now try a different setting. Have the aperture value at f1.8 and adjust the shutter speed until the exposure meter reading hits 0. We can see now that our setting is f1.8 aperture, 1/1600 of a second shutter speed, and our ISO is still at 100 to achieve a normal exposure. Notice that the field of the image has changed due to the shallow depth of field as a result of the wide aperture. And also take note that the exposure is the same as the first shot. Let's play around some more with a variety of combinations in settings, but keeping the exposure meter reading at 0. And there you have it. That's how the exposure triangle works and how each element of this triangle affect the exposure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell so you can be up to date with new uploads. Happy shooting!